making a good profit. If you want to join us, the link is in the description and you can text us on Telegram at @support. This is also a compounding video. As you can see, I have $10 in my account. With the help of RSI and support and resistance, we will try to compound this $10. This is not an RSI divergence video. We will take trades when the candle hits the RSI level of 50, and if there is also a support or resistance level present, then we can try to take a trade. First of all, we will select the indicator, go to the indicator menu and select RSI. The settings will be default. Now, let's find our first trade for compounding. There were no trades available in stocks, so let's look for a trade in cryptocurrencies. Okay, on Bitcoin OTC we have a trade. If this candle closes as a red candle and there is a support level, as you can see, then if this candle closes as a red candle, it will hit the RSI level of 50, but the candle has already reversed. Let's wait for this candle to close. If it closes above the support level, then we can proceed. The candle closed near the support level and I placed a trade for an upside move. As you can see, the previous red candle closed near the RSI level of 50 and you will see a support level as well. That's why I took this trade for the upside move. The trade is currently going in our favor and the current candle has become a good green candle. We have only 30 seconds left. Only 10 seconds left, and the trade is still going in our favor. Now only a few seconds remain, and we won our first trade of the compounding session. My balance has turned into $19, so let's find a trade for $19. Okay, here we have a trade on Bitcoin OTC and I placed a trade for an upside move on Bitcoin OTC. As you can see, the previous red candle closed near the RSI level of 50 and there was also support level, which is why I took this trade for the upside move. Finally, the trade is going in our favor and as you can see, the candle closed as a green candle. Our trade is still ongoing because we took it a little late, but it's going well. Only a few seconds left and we won another trade. Now my balance has turned into $36, so let's find a trade for $36 for this compounding session. Let's get back to stocks. Okay, here we have a trade on American Express OTC and I placed a trade for an upside move. As you can see, there was a support level and the red candle closed near the RSI level of 50, which is why I took this trade for the upside move. The trade is currently going in our favor, and with only a few seconds left, we won another trade in this compounding session. My balance has turned into $69, so let's find a trade for $69. On Facebook, can try for a downside move since there is a resistance level. If this current candle closes as a green candle, then we can try. But the candle has already broken the RSI level of 50, so we will avoid that. Let's find a trade on cryptocurrency. There were no trades available, so let's look for a trade on currency pairs. Okay, there is a trade on ADCNYOTC, and I placed a trade for the upside move on ADCNYOTC. As you can see, there is a support level, and the trade is going in our favor right now. The red candle hit the RSI level of 50, which is why I took this trade for the upside move. The current candle closed as a red candle, but our trade is still in progress and going in our favor. Only 5 seconds left. And we won the end of the trade. Now my balance has turned into $133, so let's find a trade for $133 on stocks again. Okay, here we have a trade on Visa OTC, and there is an upside trade. If this current candle closes near the support level and at the RSI level of 50, we can try for an upside move. The candle had already left a huge wick. And the current candle closed near the support level. So I placed a trade for an upside move on Visa OTC. As you can see, there is a support level and the red candle hit the RSI level of 50. The trade is currently going in our favor with 30 seconds left. Only a few seconds remain, and we won another trade. My balance has now turned into $255. Let's find a trade for $255. Here we have a trade on Tesla OTC. I am waiting for this candle to close as a red candle, and here you can see a support level as well. I placed a trade for an upside move on Tesla OTC for $255. As you can see, the red candle closed near the RSI level of 50, and there was a support level, which is why I took this trade for the upside move. The trade is going in our favor, and with only a few seconds left, we won another trade in this compounding session. My balance has now turned into $490. Let's find a trade for $490. Here we have a trade on Tesla OTC again. And I placed a trade for a downside move for $490. As you can see, there was a resistance level and the candle also closed near the RSI level of 50. I took a slightly bad entry, but there was a good resistance level. Currently, the trade is not going in our favor, but there are still 35 seconds left. The candle is coming back and going in our favor, but only 10 seconds remain. With just a few seconds left, we won another trade in this compounding session. My balance has now turned into $941. Let's find a trade for $941. Alright, on Twitter we have a trade for a downside move, but let's wait for the candle to close. If this candle closes near the RSI level of 50, then we can try for a downside move. The current candle closed near the RSI level of 50, so I placed a trade for a downside move for $941. As you can see, the candle closed near the RSI level of 50 and there was a resistance level as well. The trade is going in our favor right now, and with only a few seconds left, we won another trade. My balance has now turned into $1,806. I have already made a good profit starting with just $10. I made $1,806 with the help of the RSI level of 50 and support and resistance. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to comment your opinion about the compounding session and the RSI trades. If you want to join us, the link is in the description and you can text us on Telegram at @BBinarySupport. See you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.